Boom, GE tub and tile silicone pro tip. So if you're out there at Home Depot or wherever and you see this stuff and you're like, ooh, it looks great, it is great. But here's a pro tip. Number one, when you're coming in here to do this, do not caulk all the tub and then smooth it out. Let me tell you why. You're gonna get curdling. You see that curdling right there on the edges?
Curds and whey. Yum, yum.
That is because I was too slow on the draw. But if you do it right, you're gonna get this right here. A nice even coat without an issue. So, in the end, all you gotta know is, if you're gonna put it on, don't caulk a bunch and then smooth it out. You can probably use this tip elsewhere. I didn't notice the same issue when I used the Gorilla silicone, but I did with this tub and tile, but I gotta tell you, I really think this tub's better in the long run. So boom, there is your tip of the day in regards to some tub and tile stuff. Boom, you got that. There's a little tip for you, so you can get your stuff squeezed on there and rubbed out right. If that makes sense. Some circles it makes more sense, but anyway. There's your tip. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. Until next time, later.